Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to obtain Instinct V2. That's because I don't have Instinct V2. I have Instinct V1 if you guys can tell. And to get Instinct V2 I don't know what to do. I don't know, we need to go ahead to Turtle Center. And we need to find the NPC that gives it. I don't know where. Wait, let me find it. Okay, huh? Where is it? Okay, there is it. Oh shit. Oof. Okay. I was so. Bro, what am I doing? I should have. Oh man. Wait, let me go back. What did I run for at the first? Okay, here's the one. Okay. Bro, I think, bro. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Oh, there you go, there. How did that miss? Like, oh no, I need to run. Oh no. Okay, we are out of people. Let me go back. I believe he was here, right? Yep, there he is. Okay, hungry man. Let's talk to him. Hey, talk. Hey, if you could have a decent meal, I can give you. Huh? What the hell is a decent meal now? I think he wants like fruits. And one is here, I think. One is. I got the fruit. Yeah, one is there. I got that fruit like for a video once. Not a video, like a short. It should be. Okay, it's not. Shit. Seconds at grade 3, right here. Yep, there it is. The banana. And the pineapple is. There are 3 fruits. If I'm correct, there are 3 fruits. One's apple, one's a banana, and one's a pineapple. Apple was not there, so let's go for the pineapple. Okay, let's see. Now where could the port is reworked, so I don't know where it. It will take a while. And we got that as well. I'm on 10k, let's go. Okay, we got the apple. Shit, we got the apple. Okay, now where do I? Yeah, great. And the banana is not here because I lost it. Let's go to port then. The banana is not here. Let's go to port now. Musketeer hat. How the hell do I get this? I think I should come here, yeah. What is the musketeer hat? Do I have that? Wait, let's see. Huh? What? Musketeer hat, let's see. Musketeer hat can be found behind the. Oh. Okay. Unbreakable wall, the breakable. Okay. We need to go there. Wait. Let's go there. Wait. I was here without any like total mention, and we need to go straight. Yup, there it is. This is a breakable. Oh, bro, I didn't know this. What? Wait, what? Seems you found it. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Now let's talk to that. Talk to the hungry man. Yeah, hungry man. Yep, here it is. Not enough. I need more. Sorry. Bring me food. Okay. Bro. Okay, so let's just check the musketeer hat. Where is it? Oh, okay. A traditional soldier's hat of choice. Okay. Now I get it. Now back to port. There's the port. Coming here. Where? Oh, there. Okay. So I need to go there. Okay, wait. Let's go. It's here. Okay. Is there a pineapple by any chance? There's banana. Okay. Now we got the banana. Now we only need the pineapple. Okay. It should be in the store. Oh, there it. Oh my. You're the pineapple. Now what? Let's go to the hungry man now. Okay, let's talk to the hungry man now. Talk. Wait. Wait. Do I need to come to him? As citizen? Oh! Oh, that. Oh! I just had a like feeling that we need to come here. Then okay. Now here you go. Hey, talk. Delicious. Thanks so much. I reward you by teaching something I have learned a few decades ago, while I was still a pirate. Weird. My mouse. Okay, my mouse. Learn. When you purchase Instinct V2 for 5 million, this upgrade allows you to see the levels and hotbars of your hand. Upgrading your dodge and cooldown loosens the blur screen and predict attack. Enable faster dashing towards players in combat. Oh, let's go. We like dash faster now. Yeah. Wait. Now let's go. Oh, it's like so clear now. Yo, it's so clear now. Wait, it's so clear now. Wait, it's so clear. Wait, well, let's go to some player. Yup, there's someone here. Let's see what's his level in. Okay, he has gas. He's 2031 level gas, midnight blade and giant. Oh my god. Okay, this was a really good upgrade for me. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one, and please be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.